How to log in to hotmail.com account. Hey guys, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To log in to your hotmail.com account, you can go ahead and open up your Outlook application in your mobile device, or if you're using a PC, launch a preferred browser and search for outlook.com. To log in to your Hotmail account, select on the option of Add Account. In here, you will see Enter your email option, where you can go ahead and type in your Hotmail email address. Then click on the Continue button. After this, Outlook will ask you for your password of your account. Just enter your password and just like that, you'll be able to log in into your Hotmail account. If you have not created an Hotmail account, you can easily create one by clicking on Create New Account. Then right over here, you need to enter your new email. Then make sure to select hotmail.com instead and tap on the Next button to create yourself a brand new Hotmail account. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.